Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review. It's Sunday again. I hope everyone is having a good connection. Hopefully everything is nice and clean. If someone, Mercurio for example, if you can confirm that audio and video it's okay. Okay, let's try and do an overview starting with Bitcoin. Yeah, I think daily is the best. We can go on higher time frame, but I think the daily is the best here in this context. Well, you remember this hedge from some time ago. It's still active. If you look left, it's still active. So didn't stop us out yet. That's acceptable. Now, what do we have here? As you can see, we are fighting above 38.2. We are damn strong. A lot of people say, well, I don't know if we are strong enough. Well, just look at it. Swing low, swing high on daily. We touched 38.2. We pushed back up higher. We rejected. And we are holding this level. It's like an Wyckoff check. So don't tell me it's not strong enough. We are fighting below resistance there. We are fighting that level. Like everyone knows, we'll have some election, and that could move the market up and down. I'm not expecting the market to be bearish. I'm expecting the market to be more volatile. For example, let's look left. Look at this candle. Well, let's look in the past. Look at these candles here. That's what I mean with ugly volatility. Up and down, up and down. Not necessarily that the market is bearish or is bullish. Just damn high volatile. So for the moment, we are between the same levels. Let's put the other template. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Everyone knows my 2 cents about Bitcoin. It's nothing new, but let's do it again. Well, you can see here, we took this high. We go back and we retested the 60K. We pushed it back up, back down, took that liquidity. Here was the perfect trap, this one. Up, well, it's bullish. Well, no. Took all the liquidity and then straight up. Really nice from the market makers. Well, we took the other high now. We accepted as support. We retested a couple of times, and you can see we are fighting these two levels now, 66 to 69. Yeah. So we are below resistance, trying to break out, and people are still calling for I don't know, uglier levels. Yeah, if we aim out. If you'll see yams, if you'll see rejection, okay, yeah, we can think about that. But for the moment, we are just fighting this level. It's damn simple. And AB equals CD, pointing out a lot higher. I stand with the same opinion that the market is strong. I'm waiting to see what will happen at 69. We'll probably do some fake outs up and down, but I think we'll at some point we'll accept above 69. Hey Emmanuel, hey Grega, hey BJ, morning Stefan, hey Andrei, thank you Sebastian, hey Mercurio. Well, you guys are kind of regulars on Crypto Traders Arena, so you know my opinion about Bitcoin. Yeah? Everyone is yelling 60, 55. I'm trying to tell you with repeat after me here. That phrase is trying to tell you, don't be public. Yeah? You know me, or you should know me, that I play the range game every time I have the chance. Why this time I changed my mind and I'm saying, well, okay, it's under resistance, but looks different. Because it's different. It's damn strong. Look at this. This range, 69 to 65, let's say. And the market is pushing back up. I'm not saying 100% that will break out and will push higher, but something is different. I don't want to short here. I don't want to be too aggressive. Well, I already have this one. Yeah. So we already have a hedge, so I don't want a new one. Okay, let's go back on the other template. So daily, nothing to complain. We can form here kind of a bot setup, but even stronger than the bot setup. We don't want to accept below this 66,400 level on daily chart. Indicators. Well, nothing special. Everything is nice and clean. Well, okay. We should do some Ethereum to see what we have on Ethereum. We had a trade 2 or 3 weeks ago. Well, there you go. So we said let's buy this W at the retest. We did that. We kind of took some profit off at 2 to 1. I said multiple times. You can see why. SFU. Our final target was a bit higher, kind of retesting of this level. Well, we didn't manage to get there, but we closed 50 to 70% anyway. We are more than safe. And look what happened. The market comes all the way down, retest this level. You remember that this wasn't a proper retest when we discussed that. On the other hand, look at this uptrend channel. Indeed, we'll get to Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and yeah, Ethereum is still underperforming Bitcoin. But look at this channel. Just got validated one more time here. So it's still a uptrend channel. No. Hey Andre, hey Kaiser. So it's still an uptrend channel. I still don't want to bet short on Ethereum. I hear multiple people, influencers, well, you are stupid if you still believe in Ethereum. Well, I'm a stupid trader, not stupid, but a stupid trader. I see an uptrend channel. I have at least enough mind not to bet against it. Stay out. I'm not touching the investment. I have some Ethereum bought the last cycle below $100. Don't think I'll sell that. But as an idea, yeah, it's too late for a short here, in my opinion. Yeah, if you are a day trader, you can go long, you can go short, how much you want. But if you are a daily time frame trader, maybe a position trader on weekly, I think it's too late for a short on Ethereum. Just my 2 cents. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. I saw in the chat someone said about Bitcoin dominance. Well, let's take a look at it. It's time to pay attention. I think so. Well, let's look left. You can see support and resistance. Why I have that level? Why I have 60% level? Why reaching that level? That doesn't mean the market will go something like this. We'll touch 60 and we'll say, well, okay, Paul, look at this notification. We touched 60%. From now on is altcoin season time. Please load your bags with long ideas on altcoins. It's not that fucking simple. So let's see what will happen here. Could at the end of the move, usually we get something violent. You know? So we can push higher here. No? We can push higher in the short reload zone, do kind of a 3-bar fractal top, or if we are lucky, we can do an M. If I'll see a daily M, well, that's gold. That's a gift for me. You know, if you know how we are trading here, a daily M on Bitcoin dominance, it's a gift. Well, I don't know, Grega, if we'll go above or will not go above, everyone is expecting. At the end of the move, everyone is on the same side. So, I tend to be cautious, to wait for an M. I'll know when this one will reverse, when I'll see a 3-bar fractal first, 3-bar fractal top, confirming, and then if we're lucky, we'll see an M. Then I could say, well, that was probably the top. Until then, if we'll stop at 60, if we'll stop at 62, if we'll stop at 65, 70, who knows? It's our job to predict the market, Grega? I don't think so. Anywhere here in this short reload zone, it's a good idea to hunt an M. if we look left, we have a support and resistance, which will be like a nice barrier to stop the market at 60%. But that doesn't mean we cannot push higher. My tail will be the next EM. It's that simple. Luckily, we'll get some. Usually, we don't get something like that. Yeah? Usually, you get, look at this one. It's what you'll get. You'll get a 3-bar fractal. Ugly one. Yeah, look at here. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And no retest and all the way down. That's why I said usually I'm waiting for an M, but I'll pay attention on 3-bar fractal because you can see what could happen. Similar here, similar here. Yeah. So a 3-bar fractal on daily would be a good tail. Usually we get a strong move up, form a 3-bar fractal top, and then we can pay more attention. For the moment, look at weekly. It's a straight up move, and you can see higher highs and higher lows. Nothing to say, well, let's think about it. No, it's a strong uptrend. And look at RSI, it's not even in the overbought area, so we can push, definitely we can push higher. OBV is pointing higher, so nothing to worry about. We didn't touch 60%, 61.8, so we can push higher. So 60, 62, 65, 70, who knows? I'll wait for that 3-bar fractal. And I'm expecting a violent one. Yeah, Miku said in the chat, don't forget to press the like if you like the video. If you don't like the video, press the dislike 2 times. Yeah. Well, that's about it on Bitcoin dominance. On weekly, it's showing us that 60 is a level to pay attention. We don't have weakness for the moment on weekly chart. On daily, I don't see M's, I don't see bearish divergence, so no clear idea. Well, we'll stop here. Could push a lot higher, indeed. Okay, so that's Bitcoin dominance. Let's see Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I'll prefer weekly, and we'll go to daily, but let's see weekly, because weekly it's a bit better for this kind of overview. Yeah. We talked about years about this range and how the market should go back in the long reload zone, and we should do a weekly W in the long reload zone. I was speaking with Brian about this range long time ago. And we are finally there. Yeah. When I said that at the middle of the range, a lot of people, they laughed at me and they said, well, no, never. Let's buy some Ethereum with Bitcoin. Well, I don't think it was a good idea. Looking back. Yeah. And I said it publicly then. I know I kind of was rude with some good traders, I know. I was a bit rude telling them, well, you are doing stupid things here. I don't see why you'll sell your Bitcoin for Ethereum. I was rude, sorry about it, but that was my opinion. Now we are in the long reload zone. Look at this chart, guys. So look with your eyes, not with the influencer's eyes. Now you are in the middle of the long reload zone. Looking left, you have support here. You should be bearish on Ethereum. I hear everyone, well, Ethereum is the stupidest thing and will never recover. Solana is the future. I'm not saying Solana is bad. It's damn strong, Solana. But let's be traders. Let's be level by level approach investors. We are in the long reload zone. We are approaching strong support. So don't be bearish here, please. I'm not saying it could not go lower, especially with a week. We are on weekly chart. A tail could go to 0.03, even lower. But that doesn't make Ethereum versus Bitcoin bearish on the long run after you already reached the long reload zone. So that's my opinion about weekly Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's go on daily. Well, on daily we even did some squiggly lines here, and we discussed I think last week or 2 weeks ago, about what I see in Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I see this as a support, bounce to retest this initial EM, and then we'll lose that level and we can push lower. And we are just doing that. No, not even a daily double. So we cannot think about reversal. We need at least a daily W to think a reversal on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. But it's a huge difference in waiting for a W to call it a reversal and to short Ethereum at the bottom when you are looking at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Possible bottom. You don't have the advantage to short. When I'm saying not too long is not a reversal, that doesn't mean short. Some beginners will think that, and I don't want to be misunderstood and people to lose money. So, for the moment, nothing special. Yeah, double bottom, double top, Kaiser. It's a simple concept, but very powerful, because head and shoulders, almost everything, actually any structure in the market assumes a W or an M. So I prefer to use that. Well, if you don't know what a Wyckoff check is, Emmanuel, I don't think it's the case for me to do TA here. Just go on Investopedia and look at Wyckoff and Wyckoff check, and you'll see. You'll have a complete description there. Investopedia, it's free. Not too many people are looking at it. People are trying to learn from worse, bad sources. Investopedia, it's a really good one. It's free, and you can learn a lot of things. You just need to ask the right questions there. It's the most powerful, in my opinion, because, like I said, any structure contains an M or a W. Yeah? Go and look at them and you'll understand what I'm saying. Even let's say a head and shoulders, it's still an M. The second part of the head and shoulder, it's still an M, or an inverse head and shoulder is still a W. So why I should focus too much on complex patterns, hard to see in the market, especially for beginners, when I could say, well, look at that W. I have 3 rules, it's a valid or it's not a valid W. But the strength of the M's and W's sits in the location where you can find them. Okay, so Ethereum versus Bitcoin, not shortable, not to think bearish about this one, but in the same time, nothing to say, well, we'll reverse. No, it's slowly bleeding down, it's going lower. Now, let's take a quick look at DXY. And I think weekly is the best. I don't need to go too deep. I have too many drawings here. I have to clean up a little bit this chart. I'll do it now because why not? Okay, people know what a short reload zone is. People know what a long reload zone is, hopefully. Okay, so we touched 100 support and resistance level. We bounced. Like I said, I was thinking we'll go lower. I was wrong. So my opinion is worth 2 cents, like yours or everyone else. We bounced straight up. We stayed a little bit at 103.5, which it's another support and resistance level, and we are approaching short reload zone. We have 105.5 here. Actually, what we are doing here on weekly, it's we have this EM straight down, and we are retesting that big EM on weekly. Simple as that. Election month or election period will probably get violent. With all the news we have, could get a lot more violent and more volatile. But nothing special. It's still in this big range. Okay, that was DXY. Total market cap. Well, we have an uptrend. We have a start of an uptrend here. You like it or you don't like it, it's not the best one, but it's there. We had higher highs, lower highs and lower lows, and now we have higher highs and higher lows. We are trying to push higher. We are starting something. Could fail and it could be a range and EM out. Yeah, it's possible. But looking for the bottom, we have a low, a high, a higher higher low and a higher high and so on. Yeah, I know it's a hedge and it's bearish. No, it's not. Look at support and resistance level. Horizontal support and resistance level are stronger than the patterns everyone sees, and even the moon Carl is posting things like that. Come on. Support, horizontal support and resistance are damn strong. Yeah, well respected. Everyone could see them, and big guys are playing with them. So, okay, that's total. Total 2, still in this downtrend channel. Nothing special on total 2. What's the difference between total and total 2? Well, total is with Bitcoin. Total 2 it's without Bitcoin and has Ethereum, which will make this one a bit more bearish. We are starting something here. We didn't confirm that. Why I'm saying, well, we don't have an uptrend yet. First, look at this downtrend channel, and then this is the high. For me to have an uptrend, I need a candle body close above the week high here. Simple as that. I'm a simple trader. I don't want to overcomplicate things. I have a low, I have a high, I have a higher low. Now give me a higher high. Well, we have a week. No. Give me a candle body close above this week high, and I could think about reversing. It's that simple. Exactly as you predicted. Well, the prediction game is dangerous, and my purpose here is not to predict the market. Grega, my purpose here is to make money. Doesn't matter if I'm right. I had an idea, I was right about it, and so what? I didn't make money. Yeah, Carl from the moon, he has he's already, I don't know how to say it in English. That's his saying. Well, exactly as predicted. No, not only him. You'll see a lot of people. Exactly as predicted. Well, I don't want to compete with Carl. Why? He was smarter than me. Financially, he was smarter than me. And nobody could contradict me on that idea. And Carl was smarter than all of us together financially. Okay? So, I don't like what Carl is posting. I don't like his TA because I consider is not correct. But financially, Carl is 10 times smarter than me. And all of us. If you don't agree with that, you don't understand what I'm saying. That's the reality. Let's not hide beyond our hand or fingers. Huh? Okay. So total 3 is trying. You can see here is a bit different than total 2. No? Low, high, higher low, higher high. Here we have a candle body close above that level. Now, give me a candle body close above the other one for another confirmation. But we have something to work on. Usually when a reverse is happening, you will get downtrend, some consolidation, and uptrend. No? You don't want to see V bottoms and V tops. So this one is kind of in the middle, but I still think we have a chance with altcoins. Maybe not this week, maybe not next week, maybe it will take longer, but altcoins, they overdue for a bounce. And I'm not talking about meme coins. I know meme coins are the best thing ever, I know. I'm playing meme coins, different game, but I'm talking about altcoins in general. A proper altcoin, mini altcoin season or something. Will come when nobody will expect, as usual. When everyone will be Bitcoin maximalist and everyone will say, well, only Bitcoin. You'll see the power of altcoins. ES on weekly. Well, nothing I could say on weekly. It's ugly. Let's hide the ink even. It's strong. We are above the old all-time high. Now, let's go on daily and do a better job. I hate when I don't have something nice. Well, look at this one. First, yeah, we have the uptrend channel. Yeah, we can break here. Maybe it's a fake out, maybe it's not. But I said 5 minutes ago, put more pressure and more attention on the support and resistance level, the horizontal ones. Yeah? You have this one, old all-time high from July is behaving like a support. And we said that even when we had a close above. Everyone, well, Bitcoin looks kind of, well, look at ES. It's strong. And look what happened. We accepted above, we take this level as a support, we retested that level, we are pushing higher. We kind of have an ugly EM here. Depending on the time frame, you can say this is a kind of a EM head and shoulder pattern, but not on daily, lower. But could be a fake out and we can push higher? Yeah. We have this uptrend channel, could still be valid. Here to stay a little bit at this line and then push back up in the middle? Possible. At least to touch the AB equals CD target. If we'll aim out, and if we'll accept below $5,670, well, let's make a round number, 5,700. Look at here at candle body. If we'll accept and we'll close below, then could change things, yeah, from a trend perspective. For the moment, higher highs, higher lows, uptrend channel, everything is nice and clean. Will get more violent? Probably. But the risk on market is strong. I don't get what you say, Stefan. You said to check others, but you didn't tell me what, or I missed the chat. Okay, so that's my overview on Bitcoin on weekly, daily time frame. We are strong. So don't make me repeat the phrase. Repeat after me. The market is strong. You have to understand that for the moment, the market is damn strong. Anything else? Well, on the road to financial freedom, we didn't bounce, so we still don't have free money. We don't have money to invest. We are below zero, so nothing we can do. We need some shots. Yeah? We need some shots, and I think soon enough we'll have something. Until then, just check the plan. You don't have to do it live with me. You check the plan, see if you have all the orders there, if you have the shots in Binance. If everything is nice and clean, just wait for some shots. That's simple. Well, thank you, Andrei. Now, if nothing is to do on the road to financial freedom, let's see what we have on lower time frame. I have Tau here. I don't know why. Let's look at Bitcoin. I'm looking at Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. I have the same big level. Look at it. Yeah, this line, 66K. Look what happened. We discussed last week this level. I'm waiting for a W below this level in the blue area. I never got my W here. The market was too strong. I was hoping for a W here. I managed to take some trades here. I made nice money. Even Friday, I think we played the long side, we played the short side again, long and short again and again. So we are making money. We are also day traders, scalpers. It's okay. But on 4-hour chart, what you can see here, it's a range below resistance. As simple as that. Let's hide the drawings. Okay. So it's a range below 69. It's trying to push the 69 level. Once we'll accept above 69 and we'll close above that level, we can think about higher levels. For the moment, we can safely play the range game here. And if you see on 4-hour chart, I already have on lower time frame some potential trades. Mountain Man is active. I'm already short. I have the shark here. If both of them will fail, then I'll look for some SFUs. If will not be exactly in the middle of the night. But I'm playing the short side also. At the end of the week, I could get some volatility, at least to move my stop to scratch and get a free position. Let's see, 50-minute chart. It's not about this live stream, but if I said trades, if I said setups, let's explain them a little bit. Well, that was my view. I posted on Discord. I didn't post it on Twitter, but I posted on Discord. Mountain Man with 0.5 and Shark with 1%. If you don't like the mountain man and the shark, or this combo mountain man and shark is too aggressive for you, well, wait for a 3-step setup, for a general setup. Wait for a classic setup here, above 61.8. For the moment, I'm playing the mountain man, and I think I'm okay with that. If we'll fail, we'll close this one and we'll enter in the other one. Some people in the past said, well, it's not profitable. Why you want to do that? Why you are playing like that? Put the entry where you stop loss is. Well, do the math. I'll not explain. I didn't want to explain to that guy. I'll not explain here why it's profitable. If you ask me why it's profitable and you are not checking the numbers, it's totally up to you. I'm not here to babysit. Yeah, Bleeding Crypto said that I'm babysitting my community, and he's fucking right. Yeah, I'm kind of babysitting you. You are kind of spoiled here. Yeah, I'm giving you the entry, the stop loss, the conditions. Well, it's a bit too much. But anyway, I love this this community, and I'll do whatever it takes to be nice and clean. And I think it's not bad to show exactly what they should do. Okay, so you can ask the requests if you want, if you have some requests. More than happy to answer. Just give me the ticker in the time frame. I don't want to I don't know, to look at 4 hours when you want weekly chat. In meantime, I'll read the chat a little bit. Well, Stefan, I'll use my tools and my way to see the market. I'm not using Bitcoin with SDT dominance. I'm not using 10 market cap and so on. I'm not using them. Why I should give my opinion about something I'm not using? That means I'm not honest enough. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll tell you what I see in the market with my tools. I'll let other people look at their tools and different ideas with them. So that's the lower time frame kind of idea. We can go back on 4 hour chart. We see the range. By the way, we have Ken here. Well, Ken, if you look at this, or Stefan, looks like we'll form a symmetrical triangle here. I know it's your favorite part of the that means when you see a symmetrical triangle trying to form, is stay the fuck out. Why you want to short the strongest coin in the altcoin in the market? I don't even myself. I'm not shorting altcoins, not at all. I'm just waiting for a dip and I'm buying the dip. But even if you want to short, why do you want to short Doge in the election with Elon talking about it, and maybe probably Trump will win, and then Elon Musk will get his place, and then Doge will get a different meaning? Why? You don't have anything else better to do for a short? Sorry to tell you, but that's my 2 cents. That's my idea. I don't even know. Probably you are from our community, but I don't know your name on YouTube. So I don't know which one of you is hiding behind that name. Okay? But I'm honest, and I'll tell you why the fuck I want to short Doge when is the strongest one, when has a nice consolidation. Okay, I don't want to buy it there, it's too high. I'm hoping, I'm praying for a dip, but that doesn't mean short. Okay, now let's do something else. Let's look at Algo on daily chart. Someone said Algo on daily. Well, Algo, I could tell you with my eyes closed. Algo, it's definitely at the bottom, doing nothing. I don't want to look at it, but I'll do it. There you go. I'll start with weekly just to see what we have. Okay. You said daily, I'm looking at weekly. Exactly like I said, yeah. It's at the bottom doing nothing. We don't have a weekly W. We are going sideways. We are at the 88.6. Retesting again this initial W as a level. It's a good level to invest, to dollar cost average, to use little old lady if you are a Brian Beamish fan. If you are not, you should check Brian Beamish and you should see his approach. Yeah? Because I learned from him. A lot of us from this community come from TRI, so if you don't know what TRI is, what they do, just go and check them out. Here we are at the 88.6 testing the initial W. Indicators, they don't look bad, but I don't see a setup. I see an investment potential idea here at 88.6 if you're aggressive. If you want something like this, the weekly W, you should wait for more because you don't have a weekly W. You can see where we bought this one, yeah? At 10 cents. We bought 2 times, we sold half on a double. That's from a Road to Financial Freedom plan. Now, you said daily. I looked at the weekly. Well, on daily, let's say that this is the lowest low, this is the swing high, and let's put a long reload zone. It's possible, we can do that. We have location, kind of. No? But AB equals D is pointing out a lot lower, testing this week low. Let's take a quick look on this idea. Okay, this is one. I'll not clone it, I'll just take it from here and I'll put it here. I can see, testing the week low. I don't see a W, so I don't see an idea there. I could see an AB equals CD, or maybe it'll be a fake out and I'll make a W. But show me W breakout and retest for a setup on algo. Well, not always, but most of the time market is coming back and retesting, checking that level. If you see a V bottom, that has a nice chance to be retested. You don't trust me? Well, let's take some examples here. Not always, I cannot guarantee that, but well, we had a week here. Look what happened. We took it. We had another week here. Well, we retested. Well, we had another one here lower. We pushed up and back down. We have this one. I don't know if this time will be different and will stop here or will push lower. Could be. But how I could know if something will change? With a daily or weekly W. In this case, a daily W. Show me a daily W breakout and retest, and then I could say, well, it's probable that this week will hold, this low will hold, and we can push higher. For the moment, I don't have a setup there. Now, the gaps, if you are from traditional market where you heard about the gaps, you don't have too many on Bitcoin or on crypto because it's 24 hours from 24 hours, 7 day from 7 days, and so on. But on traditional market, you know about gaps. Well, gaps have filling percentage between 90 and 95, but without a time. So the probability for a gap to get filled is 90 to 95, but nobody will tell you when. This week, next year, 10 years from now, things like that. But you can use gaps for targets. Same, you can use weeks for a retest. So you have the week, you have the pump, and you are waiting. Well, retesting this week, it's a good entry. But to tell you that always, or maybe sometimes, or probably, no. I don't have the numbers, so I'll not tell you that. Okay, that was with algo. Let's look at the indicators a little bit. Well, classic, ranging. Doing nothing, like I said on weekly. I said before looking at this chart, algo it's at the bottom doing nothing. Fucking around, yeah? Up and down, up and down. Nobody talks about algo, nobody wants to hear about algo. Beginners will come and ask you when the price will be higher. At $1 probably, where to buy algo is the best thing ever. You know that, if you are old enough in this space. If not, you'll learn that. Okay. If you have more requests, just one. Well, let's take a look in meantime until I'll see a new request. Let's take a look at lower time frame. Let's switch the, well, not so low. This is Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. I'm playing around with it. This indicator works really, really nice. The best tool if you have a trend. And you can see I'm playing with Aevo on 5-minute chart. But it's not about this one. Let's look here on 4-hour chart. I think it's okay to look at some altcoins. This one is strong on 4-hour chart, but it's all over the place. Wait for a daily setup here. It's at the top of the range. This is a range, a consolidation. It's at the top. It's dangerous to play. Could push higher, do a fake out, but at the same time you can buy the top here. And you don't want to be the last one to buy here. Wait for a breakout in that case and a retest if you want, if you are so bullish. Don't buy it here. Just my 2 cents, guys. Aevo. Aevo, it's kind of at the bottom. Look at it. We played SS setup. We got lucky. This time didn't hit our stop loss and it's probably will recover, makes a higher low here and will push higher. Let's wait for Bitcoin to tell us what will happen next. But overall on Aevo, I know a lot of you love Aevo, especially Stefan was a big fan at some point in time. But Stefan was a big fan of Aevo. Not nice from my part, but everyone was a fan, not only Stefan. Everyone was a fan of Aevo here at $3, not here. Here nobody wants Aevo. And I could exclude Stefan because he asked me about Aevo even today. So he's definitely looking for an entry. So Aevo daily at the bottom range. You can buy the bottom of the range, 27 cents, and sell hopefully above 50 cents to sell half on the top. Possible. Everyone is asking about Solana. What we should do with Solana? We should short Solana? A lot of people ask me. No, just leave it alone. Leave it alone because this is not too bearish. This pattern is not too bearish. Solana is strong. All the meme coins from Solana are pumping and dumping. That means Solana is moving. Solana has a purpose. So you can see $200 pretty fast. The problem is you don't have an entry for a long. So just leave it alone. Now, if you have an investment from lower when everyone was scared to buy Solana, okay. But to chase it here, no. To short it here, not a big fan. And I think it's a bad idea to short Solana. But who am I to tell you what to do with your own money? Do whatever you want. Just assume the decision. Okay, let's look at someone said about Arbitrum on 4-hour chart. Well, I could tell you from now on, without looking, Andre, it's doing the same thing like Algo. It's fucking around at the bottom doing nothing. Let's see. Exactly. This is a buying opportunity, guys. When I'm saying it's fucking around at the bottom and doing nothing, that doesn't mean it's bearish. Don't get me wrong. Look at it. Last time when he fucked around at the bottom, look what happened. Again, here. Again, here. Again, here. Wait for a W on daily 4-hour chart. I see Andre is saying about 4-hour chart. I don't like this big M, but overall it's a range. You are a kind of at the bottom of the range. I see a potential bullish divergence on MACD on daily. I see the same thing, something really nice here. Look at this one. I like it. It's a potential one, but look at this OBV. What this OBV is telling you. Low, higher low. If we'll accept above this high, will be a damn strong buying signal. Not for the moment, but if we'll confirm above this level on daily, that means it's a confirmed bullish divergence, which is a damn strong signal because it's from OBV. 4-hour chart. Well, now we are talking about something, Andre. You finally, slowly, you get the idea. Well, I see something nice here. Stefan will tell you power of 3. I'll tell you, okay, look at that W's. If the Bitcoin is bullish enough, this one could push higher. Or we can think about something like this. Something like this. Huh? So if you are aggressive and you are thinking, well, this one is damn strong, and if you know something I don't know, maybe you can take this W, thinking on lower time frame, kind of a Dalai Lama pattern. Huh? On lower time frame, it's definitely a Dalai Lama. Let's see. There you go. Down, up, consolidation, pushing higher. It's kind of over. I don't like it. So let's go back on 4-hour chart. Well, 4 hours, not 4 minutes. It will be, from my perspective, I'll accept Stefan idea, manipulation, breakout and retest. So you want something like this. Let me find the tool. Okay, a breakout, accepting back in the range, a retest here, and that's your entry. Okay, or if it's my setup, well, I think this one is the best formula for me, at least. And I stopped here because this is the initial AM, probably the short reload zone. We'll take a look in just a minute. But that's my idea here. LJ, breakout. First condition of this setup. Valid trend line. Valid. Really valid. Breakout the other side. Okay. Now give me a valid W. And enter here at the breakout or retest if you'll get one or something like that. That will be my potential setup. I could plan from now on to take that setup. Or I could plan to take power of 3. Accepting back in the range, retesting the range low and then pushing higher. Now let's show you why I stopped here, and I think this is a good area to take profit. Look left and you'll see the initial AM. Let's put a short reload zone here and let's see what we have there. There you go. So if you'll take the W, you should stop somewhere in here in the short reload zone. If you are not aggressive, close at 61.8. If you want to be a bit greedy, you can push it a bit higher. Testing this level. Okay. Yeah, everyone will say that influencer will say something will go to the moon because they have a lot of sell limit orders above, and they getting together in a Telegram group, motherfuckers, and they are coordinating attacks, kind of idea. Yeah, they are saying, big guys like Carl of the Moon and other MF, yeah, they are getting together like us in a community or something similar, smaller maybe, and they are saying, well, let's put some limit orders. It's kind of overdue to take some profit off. We bought or we got some coins at the beginning a lot cheaper. Let's do something. And they are putting some limit orders. And then they say, okay, let's go. And they are, well, this is the best thing ever. It will make you rich. You are all already long on or you are still waiting. Yeah? And the next day, the other guy will start and so on. And the stupid people are buying, not stupid, beginners. They are buying, and they are buying, and they are hitting the wall of selling orders from the influencers. And when that move is done and they did their job, they'll shake hands and they'll say, fuck it, let it go down now. And we'll do something like this. Go at the bottom and don't do anything. But that's a buying opportunity. Well, no point to say names, Bokor. No point to pointing out. It's a tradition. Let's if we are Romanians and we understand that it's a tradition to do that. Seeing influencers shilling the tops, it's something normal. Why the fuck do you think they are fighting for followers? Because they like to see big numbers? No. They want kind of a semi-community with weak and beginners. They are hunting kind of people. When your market is at the top and you are posting bullish things, beginners will follow you. And you get a lot of followers, and when you want to pump and dump something, or someone wants to pump and dump something, will come to you. Well, I'm offering you 1% from the supply. You want to help me a little bit? Or I'll give you, like we had that people, old people, they know how how they have even fees, exactly the fees, to shill it, to post it, to talk about it in a video. Yeah? So I don't get it why people are still surprised. Well, that one is shilling a coin. That's how he's making money. Trust me, it's the easiest way to make money like them. It's harder like we do it on trading. Actually, trading is the hardest way to make easy money, if you get my idea. No? So, if you want a definition of trading in the market, is the hardest way to make easy money. You see Da Vinci, and you see other people. They don't want to trade anymore. They want to do something else. Why? It's easier. It's correct? No. It's a win-win situation? Definitely no. They care about it? No. They want to live in good conditions in Dubai. It's all they care about. So when you see someone shilling the Lambo and posting where they live in Dubai and nice and shiny things, if you are following them, at some point in time, probability for you to put your money in their dream, it's really big. No? You have to pay, for example, for one night in Dubai, no? Sorry guys, I'm a bit harsh here with beginners, but if I'm a bit harsher, maybe they'll understand faster. Yeah, when I'm saying stop fucking around, treat the market like a business, they are laughing. Well, I don't have time to learn. Even a couple of days ago, someone came in our community and asked, signals, sir, I want signals. Well, let us teach you how to no, I want signals. No signals, I'm gone. You think that guy will have a chance in the market? In the exponential move, maybe if he's lucky and he will get long in time, he will make some nice trades and he will think he's the best trader ever. And when the bull market is over, he will give it all back and he will be even poorer than he is now. But nothing I can do about it because doesn't want to learn. Okay, let's stop blabbing away. Give me more requests, please. If you have more requests, I'll gladly take a look. If not, I'll take a look at my short list here. FET. Well, everyone was saying, well, I don't think Paul is right with FET. Well, look at it now. Almost touched 61.8. Almost. But we have some M's. If I'll see power of 3, well, that will change my mind. Stefan, look at FET. If something will start here, this is a nice power of 3. But it's too early to call it. Okay. Another one that everyone was saying that will go to the moon because it touched $20. You remember this one? When I was buying here, nobody was talking about this one. Here at $20, 22, here in this area, everyone was shilling. Well, you want to see what ING can do? Just buy and hold and you'll see. Well, look at it. Buy and hold and just lost the longer low zone here and we're making a big yam here. Actually, if you look on higher time frame, this is a range. No? Nothing more, nothing less. Market dropped and now is consolidating. It's a bit more volatile than the rest, but nothing special. Okay, let's do BAMX. Let's do BAMX. Well, Andre, I know you're not a trader. You tried, doesn't fit your way. But I hope you still have the investments from 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah, I really hope you didn't sell your dollar cost average and you are still holding. A warning: market could get worse before it will become better. So you still need patience. Well, you can see this one. I on lower time frame will see what is about this house level. But we are below 61.8. We have a daily, weekly W breakout and retest. If you put the line chart, I don't like it. I don't like that weekly W, but it's there. Yeah? You can see it's out if we are talking about line chart. But if we put back the candles, it's a weekly W, breakout, retest. I consider this one a range. I should buy here at the top. No, I should wait at least middle, at least for a new signal. If you are an investor and you already invested, well, hold on, hands under your ass and wait. Well, finally, Andre, finally you are on in profit. I know it wasn't easy. I was discussing with you 2 years ago, if I remember correctly. I remember you had a different hardware wallet than usual. I remember that. And you asked me some advices. I told you what I was considering the best advice. You try trading, it's not for you. You have a good job, so keep it. Yeah, I was talking about this CM here on 4-hour chart. And first target was hit and then consolidation. I see range here, Andre. Yeah, I see range here. But if we break out and retest, that's something bullish. But for the moment, we didn't break out, so I could still think range. Let's see the next one. Come on, Sebastian. You asked me about DOT? I'll answer you, but you asked me multiple times about DOT. I could tell you before looking that DOT is at the bottom doing nothing. But let's confirm that. There you go. DOT is at the bottom on daily, doing nothing. Just fucking around at the bottom. Well, this was a trade. I don't think it's the case anymore. We are at the bottom. You can see it's kind of a bottom range. Investment, Sebastian, you know, I told you multiple times. $4 for DOT is not bad. $2 cost average. Buy DOT every week. If it's $4, so be it. If it's $3, even better. If it's $2, even better. Do an average if you want to invest in DOT. But when you reach the max or the amount you allocated for that dollar cost average or for DOT, just stop. No, it's not dead. No, nothing is dead in this market. So we have consolidating here at 78.6. It's that simple. This, by the way, this range is still valid. This long gray low zone is still valid because we didn't took the low. Okay. I don't see W's on daily. So no setup. 4 hours? Well, on 4 hours, you kind of have something. Stronger than the rest, Sebastian. Stronger than the rest. Why? Look at this one. Okay. 4-hour chart. Ugly, but that's the trend line. That's the correct trend line here. You can see W the other side of the trend line, breakout and retest. You are in the breakout phase, wait for the retest if you want a setup. Will hold or not? Not my business. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Yeah, so it's breaking out, retesting. Take this W if you want. If you don't want, don't take it and just leave it alone. I'm not trading Asia. It's in the middle of the fucking night for me, Kaiser. It's in the middle of the night. I sleep like a baby. Even the bed is sleeping with me. So no, Asia is not for me. But we are trading London session and then New York session every day. Usually London session it's mostly for VIP guys. We are sharing the live stream with them. But also I do a daily crypto plan before the London will start. And then in the New York session we are doing a 2-hour live stream for premium members. Tuesday we are doing that for all Discord members. Yeah? But we are not trading anything else. It's even too much for me. I need one session to sleep. With small exceptions. Okay, let's take a look at SUI. But I need to start with daily, Emmanuel. Not SIU, SUI. Okay. SUI on Binance. Daily chart. You want me to put a house level on it? What do you want me to do here? What do you want me to do here? Strong. big range, strong, don't chase here. That's my, my idea. Huh? And okay, I see an EM on daily, so I could give you some downside targets, some levels to look to the downside. Let me do that. Just 1 second. There you go. So you can see first level is here. If we'll fight this level and lose, we'll go to the next one, which is here. And then the last one is improbable, but not impossible. Looking left, it's the bottom. I could show you why it's improbable but not impossible, because the big fucking volume is here. Yeah, even if the price is strong, if the price was so strong and too many people are buying this level, why the POC is so low? Why the POC is not here? That means the smart money accumulated here, and they push the price higher, break it down again. Accumulated here with the big money, with a lot of volume, and then push it higher. Now the public is buying and they'll push it back down. I'll chase it here? Definitely not. If you look at this one on the volume profile, you can see, let's let the big one. You can see a hole, a muak or a hole in the profile here. This needs a fill. So if we'll accept here, that means that we'll stay here and we'll consolidate and fill this hole in the profile. Simple as that. Chasing here is asking for trouble. You can do it. Of course you can do it on 5-15 minute chart with Holy Grail. Not the case, because we already have an M top. I think we can stop a little bit at 268, and then 4669 is the big one. Look left, you will see the POC here. You can see the profile. The best setup possible, not probable, possible. It's a classic one. Okay, swing low, swing high, long reload zone, wait for a W in the long reload zone. I know now looks improbable, but that's not my business that people say it's improbable. I'll show you something what was improbable. Let's see if I still have the ink. Well, this was improbable, guys. You know that. You played with me in the same community. Yeah? I'll wait here. Here will be a gift. You remember this chart? I made this chart here at the top. And someone said it's improbable. Yeah. And still we don't have a weekly W. We can still range here. Another example. Let's see if we still have the drawings. There you go. Another example. At the top I said, can you see me waiting here? Well, I saw me waiting there, and I start dollar cost averaging. And still we don't have a weekly double. We can still consolidate more. Same idea. Look at the POC, look at the volume. Smart money are buying here, not here. That chart, you told me the SUI is too high for me to do anything. If we break out and we'll go to the upside, good luck. Go away. Next boss. I'm not chasing. Weekly, you can see is the top is rejecting from the top of the range. On daily, you can see the YAM and you can see the targets I showed you. You can see the hole in the profile, double distribution profile. Couple one people learned about the volume profile, a really important tool. I hope they learn and they'll put the right amount of time to learn about this one. It's damn strong. You can play around with volume profile and be profitable without anything else. Okay, let's see for our chart. Okay, for our chart, you can still see the EM here. Huh? Yeah, you can see the target here. We stopped, we bounced. We'll probably retest this level. Look left, we have a lot of liquidity to hide it here. The volume is dropping. This is a hole. We'll probably come back down here. 1.2, $1. Put some limit orders and forget about it. Good enough? That's my opinion. My 2 cents. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take me too seriously. I'm just a guy blabbing away on YouTube. Okay? Not even crypto traders arena people. Don't take me too seriously. Well, if I tell you to respect a plan, then listen to me. If I tell you how to vet a setup or how to vet a setup or a plan, okay, then listen to me. But if I'm telling you something is going to the moon or is going back down, no. Well, if you have Sui from point 8, Andre, you are a happy camper. Yeah. Just forget about it until you'll see me yelling here. Well, sell. Hopefully, I'll be able to do that. That will be really nice from my part to tell you, not the top, because I know I cannot tell the top, but at least to force some people to take some profit, so we'll not ride all the way back down. Well, let's read the chat. Hey, Catalin, nice to see you. Well, someone scared Stefan. I don't see him in the chat anymore. Well, guys, if you like this this content, hit the like button. That will help Algo to push the video to more people, and more people will see it. You know me, I don't really want the community to grow too fast. You know, slow and steady. I have time to select people. I have time to kick them out if they don't behave nicely. And now I'm starting to feel a bit too much pressure. And I put more condition to join our community. You have to accept the rules. And if I'll see is not enough, I'll put more condition to join us. Remember, the old people know that this was a private server. You need a one-time invitation to join here. So people who got in publicly and really easily, well, say thank you. We are not accepting all kind of people here. Moon boys, out. Shillers, out. People from any platform that they want to shield me any referral or to give me money for sending people to them, out. Trading, learning, and from time to time, good or bad jokes, but with some limits. Clean community, that's the idea. We are here to help each other, to make some money, not to fuck around. Well, most part is free, but we have premium and VIP, Kaiser. Feel free to stay on the free part because you have a lot of information. This video is free, this live stream. You'll see more than that. You'll see us posting. But we have premium and we have VIP. If you are interested, go there and look what that means. VIP are the best served ones. Stefan is giving them complete trade ideas every day. They are not signals. Yeah? People are calling them signals sometimes, but they are not signals because you have to fucking assume the responsibility for your trade. I'll tell you, well, this is the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. But you have to do it. It's not copy trading. About copy trading, well, we didn't decide yet to start something. In general, I'm not okay with copy trading. So, people, we have some rules, specific rules, and we have some conditions there. Be damn sure you read them because it's your job to read them. For example, if you paid something, you decide to join premium, don't come after 1 week and say, well, I want a refund. We don't give refunds. We don't use cards. We accept crypto. The fees are pretty small, but we want honest people. Yeah? We are doing our job. Look at the testimonials or ask people from testimonials. Go and DM them. Well, what's your opinion about Capo 1 or about premium? No, don't take my opinion. If you think it's for you, join premium. If not, stay on the free part. We have the road to financial freedom, for example, the entire spreadsheet, everything what is here, Kaiser, it's free. You just go here, make a copy, and it's yours. And we don't ask anything for it. Nothing. Nada. And it's a complete spreadsheet. Look at this one. We have even for dollar cost averaging if you want. We have more statistics. A lot of time and effort was put in this spreadsheet to be complete. Well, it's value for people who want to learn, Sebastian. If they are superficial people, just want signals, for them is not any value. I see people joining, they don't see signals. No signals, sir. They go away from our from Discord. And the next second, you know what will happen, yeah? They will get banned, will not be able to join again. But that's the best thing possible. You are not for us. Yeah? Nothing we can do about it. I'm not giving you signals here. It's not such, it's not a community like that. I'm giving you ideas. Sometimes when it's possible, I'll give you complete ideas, but they are still ideas. They're still your responsibility. For example, here, let's take this one again. Where is Bitcoin? Our Bitcoin. Let's put 50-minute chart. Okay. Well, this is a complete trade idea. Take it or leave it, but it's up to you. I told everyone, well, I'll take these trades. This one with 0.5 risk, this with 1% risk. I didn't say take the trades. If you assume and you are a day trader and you want to take the ideas, you like them, okay. If you decide, for example, well, fuck the mountain man, I'll take the shark only. Up to you. If you want me to show you how I how I put the trades here, or how I put the short reload zone, the long reload zone, how I frame the trades, I'll gladly show you in the live streams. Yeah? But you have to assume the responsibility. You have to be responsible. 90% of the people are losing money in this market for one fucking reason. They are not responsible. They don't use a risk management. Yeah, when you go all in and you are not looking back, you're not responsible. You are greedy. And you should be punished. Sometimes the punishment is too harsh. Yeah, indeed. But you ask for it. Let's be real. When you go and buy an altcoins with all your savings, without stop loss, without thinking 2 times, just because a guy on Twitter said so, you are responsible. Especially if you are not alone and you have a wife and kids and things like that, you are responsible. You are not responsible. You are just asking to be punished. And the market will punish you. Will take your money and will give you some experience. Maybe next time you'll be 5 minutes smarter and you'll not do the same stupid mistake. Simple as that, guys. Spending 20k, 50k. I'm trying to learn how to trade. And you come in our community and you are telling that Capua 1, where I'm 4 months, I'm staying with you and trying to teach you to treat market like a business is too expensive. Well, good luck. Go back. Lose another 50k and then come to me. I had a guy, well, I want to pay the fee, but I need some Tron for the transfer. Well, find some Tron. Well, give me some Tron. No, thank you. If you have a kind of a phantom wallet and you don't know how to swap and you don't know how to do and you don't put the time and effort to learn, well, go away. You're not for us. You are not serious enough to learn. And I have enough experience to understand that now. Okay, we are blabbing away. We have 1 hour and 50 minutes talking about overview, some requests. Give me more requests or let's close the live stream and call it a day. Okay, I don't see requests. So tomorrow before the London session, we'll do a daily crypto plan live stream. Usually it's for Discord, it's unlisted. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is for public. I'm still thinking if it's the correct way to keep it that way, or I should make it public, or I should make it private totally. I'm still in between. Why? Because when I'm putting on private, not enough people are watching. Yeah? Because I'm babysitting the premium members and I give them complete ideas. They don't need to watch my daily plan. So I could go and do the live stream for public. At least new people will learn something or will listen to me. I'm still thinking about it. We'll see. At the end of this month or first, second week of November, I'll decide and I'll see what I'll do. Well, guys, I don't see requests. I see 25 people in the live stream. If you want to share the link with your friends, to share the link from your initiative on Twitter, more than fine. If you want to leave a like, also fine. If you want to leave a dislike, you don't like my voice, you don't like my attitude, you don't like the content, hit the dislike. If you really hate what I do, hit the dislike 2 times. I don't mind either. Yeah. I'm not an influencer, guys. I'm a trader who loves to teach other people how to trade. Ask Stefan. Yeah? But I'm not an influencer, and I don't pretend to be, and I don't want to be a really good influencer. I prefer trading. It's harder to make money, but it's a more honest way to make money. Okay, enough blabbing, enough ranting. So, see you tomorrow morning in the daily crypto plan live stream. Bye bye.